In this video, I'm going to explain how to set a stop loss on DEX Screener. So over here, as you can see, I'm on the DEX Screener website and I went to a random coin over here. And if you want to either buy it or sell it and look anywhere over here on the screen, as you can see, there's no stop loss feature. And that is because on the DEX Screener website itself, you can't actually set a stop loss. However, if you want to do that, the only way of doing it is by using a third-party DeFi trading bot, okay? Now, many of those DeFi trading bots actually offer automated stop loss features, and there's a bunch of them. You can just Google them, see their pricing, see the fees they take, then you can decide which one you want to take, and then set that up, and via that bot, you'll be able to essentially set stop loss on DEX Screener. However, as of right now, you cannot do it manually by just having an account over here at DEX Screener and using the inbuilt features. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.